He was tired of us.
It was just like, can you fucking move on, please? I'm running out of monologue. I'm starting to use lines that you're supposed to hear later because I don't know what else to say.
I'm saying shit at the end of the game.
Jesus. My speech has already passed you. Wait. I dropped my headphone. I'm sorry. Hold on. What is grinds? Statistics. Ooh. We got nothing.
We got the clip.
You can see our stats. Okay, cool. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it.
Do what?
Why? Why do I not have bullet time? Why do I not have bullet time? I don't have bullets. I'm dead.
No, they don't shoot you. Oh.
I was gonna use bullet time and I was just gonna shoot them all really quick, but I didn't have any.
It's fine.
So you don't have bullet time right now.
Oh.
Be careful.
Alright. Alright.
How does it feel to one-up me?
I don't know. I can say the same to you.
Oh!
Dance with me, bitch.
Yeah, he was like, he was about to Charlie Brown there, dude. Oh, dude, he is twitching.
He's
oh man!
swimming. Oh
man, he's still
stop.
still going.
Stop! Jesus, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, dude.
What did I do to this man?
He's still kicking, dude.
This
He's
is
still
a fate
kicking.
worse than death.
Man.
Wait, what's the take pills again?
Up.
Up? Well, that makes sense. Oh, like Dark Souls.
Oh yeah, Dark Souls is a thing. You getting them?
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, around his throat. One in his head. Alright, I gotta be...
Yo, dude, are those all Frosted Flakes? Those are all fucking Frosted Flakes. My man likes orange juice Frosted Flakes and fucking...
Alcohol!
What are you talking about?
An
dude? That's
orange juice, you're right.
Yeah, that's orange juice.
How wrong of me?
Those are both for him. He's just like, oh man, I just want...
No, he gives him one. He throws away the glass and just drinks the bottle.
Yeah.
So why did you pour a glass before yourself? Nah, I sort of changed my mind halfway through.
Yeah.
I've been trying moderation.
That's the kind of guy Max Payne is. He's like that, that gif of
He
Tom.
did just exactly that!
Oh my god, he did. He's like that gif of Tom, from Tom and Jerry when he's cutting the cake, and he takes, he cuts the slice of cake and then he takes the full cake and leaves the slice and runs away. He was adopted. Tony's not much like him.
Yeah, it's not like I caused it by shooting
Yeah,
the
it's
guy.
not like we fucking shot the son of this dude. That wasn't inviting it in theory. Oh, dude, this part is reminding me. Did you ever play the Hitman game on the Xbox? I think it's on the 360, but it's like it was a newer one. And there's one part where you're running through an apartment building, and
Come on, you little bitch.
you go through like this whole weedatorium.
Pull your head out.
You got him. Got him.
I guess I wasn't gonna go under.
Ooh! And you fucking.
Armin Vet.
Yo, this dude looks pretty cool, actually. Don't be
He's got
afraid
a
of
bomb
the
inside
fire.
his jacket.
Yo, this man looks crazy.
He does, look at it!
He just leaves.
Okay,
Max
strangest.
is like, ugh,
Thanks.
I've been eating healthy, drinking all this OJ. Is he gonna kill him? What the absolute fuck?
What did we... That didn't make any sense. Oh.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, he's got fertilizer in the corner, too. He was totally making bombs.
Dude, he was... Thinks it's time for us to
What the
relax.
fuck? Dude, a cartoon? Yo! Dude! Dude, what the fuck? This is awesome! Captain Baseball Bat Boy! Oh my god, what the fuck? Did you know of this?
No, I just clicked it on.
Dude!
Guess we're doing this.
Oh my god, we're totally watching this whole thing. Oh my god, it's Green Goblin. Her name's just Bicycle Helmet Girl. What's this, some Aquabats shit, dude? He just fucking explodes. Oh no, his back is bad. He should have seen a chiropractor all those years.
Yeah, I don't know how many times we could sell this.
Dude, I will sell chiropractics all day. I mean, I won't sell, like, scam chiropractics, because there are those. Yo, it is like Aquabats. Like, it just ends on a note, and then, like, the next episode will, like, we gotta find more TVs now,
Oh.
by the way. What the fuck is this, dude? Can we just keep watching?
I think he's like, alright, we've had enough.
He was just like, oh yeah, fuck. I can't wait to see the next episode of Baseball Bat Boy.
Yeah.
Captain Baseball Bat Boy is the one thing that keeps me going. Can you imagine?
God. Alright. What? Clue? What the fuck does it say?
Dude, can you... Look at his fucking apartment, dude.
Yeah, we're done. We're done. Max.
Max, we don't care. We don't care about the... Dude, he's got toilet paper.
Yeah, he was stocking up.
He was stocking up, dude. We now know that if a pandemic happens, that
It's fucking
toilet
crazy.
paper and hand sanitizer is the #1 thing.
It's gonna be fucking missing for some reason.
Yeah, how many people... Do you think people, like with all that fiber in their digestive system, like...
Yeah.
How do you think people are faring with all that toilet paper in there?
Dude, I don't know, man. Probably doing better than everybody else.
Yeah, you know? Probably, they're real healthy, man. All that fiber.
Whoa, whoa! If only I had all the toilet paper and hand sanitizer, I'd be safe right now.
Man, they suck. It always.
Oh!
Whoa! What the fuck? It always. You're dead.
No, that's not fair. Who is it? Is it him? Yeah, I'm dead. They wouldn't let me. Ah, come on, that was snuck up on me.
Gimme.
Fair, yo.
Oh, do I have to go through the whole scene with?
Yeah.
Yo, you think we'll be able to watch a different episode on the TVs?
Nah. If we do, fine, but if it's the same thing, please just get out of there.
Okay. Why, you don't want to watch this? You don't like reruns?
I don't want to see the same thing twice. I want to see a new cartoon.
What if I, like, did this, though?
Did what?
Fuck? Is there another guy down there? Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there another guy? Ooh.
Oh!
Oh!
Where is he?
Oh! Peekaboo!
Dude,
Peekaboo!
dude, get him!
Marco! Marco! Marco!
This guy's not willing to pop out. Aim.
This guy. Polo! Can I, like...
No.
Oh, okay, that's probably a bad plan. That's how I'm gonna do this. We're gonna skip it. We're gonna skip this. We're gonna skip it. Did we get something in there?
Nope.
There was pills.
Oh, yep.
Oh, no, we're done. We're done, Max. We're done. Max.
We're just checking the cartoons, man.
Why are we oh, I thought that was like Spanish all of a sudden. Yo, let's turn on the tunes. The Teletoons. Dude, I really fucking like this cartoon, I'm sorry. Like, oh, this intro is great. Is this a different one, though, is the question. Nope. Dang it. I want to know how that ends. Or if it ends. I guess the freaking biker helmet girl is just gone. Anything in here? Nope.
She eats him.
Oh, God.
The other leg is gone because of that.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-do. Boom. This is gonna work out perfectly. Oh, dude, that's half a body.
No, that's not. It's just charred.
I mean, yes, a charred half of a body.
It's not. No, it's not half. It's still. Well, I guess technically it's half quantity-wise. It's just a chunk is gone.
Why can't I can't cover on this wall.
No, but you can move out of there and you do your best.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah.
You got him.
Well, there's one more. Peekaboo. There's another one. There's another one somewhere else. Or maybe it's just that guy. First try. There's another guy over there. I see him. I see him. I see him. His fucking body slammed into that dude.